Hi everyone. In this session, I'll be demonstrating about how to write and execute a test case in Playwright. We have already set up our project in Playwright in the earlier session. So if you haven't watched it, please watch it so that you can continue with this session. Okay, so let's just go to our project that we have created in earlier session. So we have a test folder over here. We are going to create a new test file into this test folder named as login.spac.js, and this file is going to be for writing a test case for visiting a demo site. So let's just start by right clicking on the test folder, creating a new file, providing the file name spac.js. Just enter, and this has created a new file. Now let's just write our test case, and for that we need to import some components from the Playwright. So for first component would be test. Next would be the expect from Playwright test. One sec. Okay. Now let's just start writing our first test. First, provide the test file objective. So I want to visit a demo site. So let's just provide the this test name. Okay. Now write a method, and this method is going to run in async ways. Provide a arrow function over here. Okay, now for visiting any website, we have a go to function in Playwright. We'll be making use of that to visit the site. So before that we need to destructure one another component, and that is page. Okay, so within the page component we have one go to method, and in this method you have to provide your website URL which you want to visit using this automation project. So let's just open one demo site. I'm making use of the sourcedemo.com. Let's just copy this URL and add this URL into our test case over here. Okay, so this method is going to visit this site. Now, after visiting the site, we also may want to make sure that it is opening that site, right? So we can provide some assertions by making use of the expect component. So let's make use of this expect method. In this method, provide the page component and verify the website title to have title. And what is the title of our website? Let's just go to the browser again and verify. Okay, it is Swag Labs. So let's just open our browser again and provide our website title. Okay, sorry, labs. Okay, so now to run this specific file, we have to open a terminal. Over here we have to make use of the npx playwright test and --ui. Okay, let's just run this command. It is going to open and show you all the test cases available and all the test files available. So now I just want to run this specific test. So just click on the run button and just see how it is running. Okay, it is hitting this source demo. Okay, it has opened this website, and then later on it has also verified the title as well. So it is running fine. As you can see over here, test case has passed, as you can see it. So we are good to go. Now I want to tell you about one more thing. Since right now we have run this command over here, so if you want to skip the part for writing the command again and again, you can provide your scripts over here in the package.json file. So just provide the shortcut of this command. So I am going to give the shortcut name for this command as run UI. Okay, so and this part provide this command. Okay, now instead of hitting this, let's just stop this running for now by clicking on Control C, and it is going to terminate the job. Okay, now instead of hitting the same command detail again, we can make use of the scripts. So just write npm and your npm run and provide your script name. So run UI, and when you will hit this, it is directly going to make use of the same commands. As you can see over here from the package.json, it is picking the same command that we have mentioned over here. So it is doing the same work. It's just that we have saved our time for writing the same command again by providing it into the package.json file. As you can see over here, you can run the test case again for making sure that it is working fine, and it is working fine. So let's just close it. Okay, so I think that's it for now. We have written our first test case, we have visited the site, verified the URL. Now if we I want to tell you about some details. As you can see, we have made use of some details, uh, and if we go through the test case structure of this file, you will be able to see that we have made use of the test method. So this test method basically defines the test case, and it has two arguments. First one is the test name, and another one is the test functionality that we provide by creating a function. Okay, now next method that we have made use of is goto method. This method opens the website page. Whatever the website URL we have provided into this method, it is going to open this that website. Now next thing that we have make use of is assertions. So assertion we provide it using the expect method. it it This expect method also have some methods for verifying the specific details. For example, if you want to verify the title of the website, it has to have title method, and over here you can provide the your title as a string. So and later on we have run our test case using this command npx playwright test ui. And since we wanted to save our time for the next time, so we have provided the script over here in the package.json file. Now we only have to hit this shortcut command and we'll be able to run our test case. That's it. Thank you for now. We'll be meeting soon in the next session.